Do you want to know how you can paraphrase using QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the Paraphraser tool on your QuillBot account. Go ahead and open QuillBot.com on any of your browser and log in to your account. Then click on Paraphraser, and let's suppose I want to paraphrase this. So I'll just go ahead and remove some of the words because the word limit is 125. So I'll just go ahead and remove some of the words which are over here. So you can see that now there is a limit, so go ahead and click Paraphrase. After you click Paraphrase, in a while you can notice that the text which you had pasted here, it has been paraphrased quite easily. You can also rephrase it. Just go ahead and tap on the text you want to change, and you can see the suggestions over here as well. If you want to copy it, just go ahead and click on copy full text, and you can use this while you're doing your assignments, and you can paraphrase some of the articles or essays or paragraphs quite easily. So guys, this is how you use the Paraphraser tool on QuillBot. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.